What's up you guys, my name is Mair. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have brought you another great fantastic recipe. So we are making T-bone steak in Ninja Foodi air fryer, or you can say Ninja Foodi grill. So this is our T-bone steak. I have taken 4 pieces. So this is a baby cow, the smallest version of the cow. So I have 4 of them right here. So here is our processor. I'll take 2 fresh green chilies and I'll just put it right there, 4 cloves of garlic, and I'll just put it right here. So easy, right? This is our meat tenderizer. So for 4 of them, I'll just sprinkle half tablespoon of meat tenderizer right on top of our T-bones. Okay, so here you go, quarter on this side and quarter on the other side. Okay, let's focus here. Here I'll take fresh cumins, I mean not the fresh, the cumin seed, and I'll just add this right here. I'll take a half tablespoon of crushed red chilies. If you guys don't like it to be spicy, forget that, don't add that, it's all okay, it's all fine. All right, here I have this dried mango powder. As you guys can see, this is the dried mango powder. I'll take half tablespoon and I'll just put quarter on this side and quarter on the other side. It will give nice soury taste to our T-bone steak. Okay, and as you guys saw, all beautifully done. We are working on 2 sides right now at the same time. I'll take natural yogurt and I'll put 1 spoon of yogurt right on top of our T-bone steak. This is our white pepper powder, half tablespoon, and I'll just put this right on top of it. Later we're gonna of course mix it. I have a coriander powder. I'll take half tablespoon of coriander powder and I'll just put this right on top. Here I have salt, so half tablespoon of salt. Here I have canola oil. Remember I told you guys this is a Foodi Ninja grill, right? So don't use vegetable oil, it will create a lot of smoke. Use canola oil or grapes oil, it's way better. So I'll add at least 2 tablespoons of oil in there. Put the lid on top of our Ninja processor and we will process this. Take a fresh lemon, squeeze it right in there. So whole fresh lemon for 4 T-bone steaks. I mean a whole fresh lemon for 4 T-bone steaks, right? So squeeze your lemon in there. Okay, so the processing is done. All here. And this is liquidy. This is what we need. We're not gonna put all of it on top of our steak. We just need at least 2 spoons of this liquid sauce right on top of our steak, as you guys see. So I'm putting at least 2 to 3. That's enough. So this is at least 3 tablespoons of our liquid sauce with the fresh garlic, fresh chilies, cumin, and the crushed pepper. And it's like you're just bathing now your steak. Make sure all the ingredients just massage your T-bone steak really good. You guys see how beautiful it looks? Okay, the bottom one. The massaging is almost done. Right? Don't add extra oil for your Foodi grill, you know. So it just need a little bit, maybe a whole spoon of oil. Canola oil or grapes oil is the best way to go. All right. So as you guys see closely, all the marination is right on top with the meat tenderizer, with the dried mango seasoning. It's all in here. We will leave this mixture at least for 15 to 20 minutes on the side, and we will now let's move on to the unboxing thing. So we are unboxing the brand new all-in-one Foodi Ninja grill. All right, so this is our brand new, as you guys can see, Ninja Foodi grill. You can use it at home. Inside. This is the inside grill. Indoor grill. You have to be, just make sure the recipe you guys are making, don't make a lot of smoke. I'm gonna open this. Okay, I murdered the box. Okay. Is it still sticking? Oh wow. Wow. All brand new. Wow. Okay, so you get what? A whole book. So you get a whole recipe book with that. If you guys want to buy this, just go to Ninja and type in foodi grill. Okay, so it's gonna tell you all the recipes in there as well to try it in there. See. Okay, let's put this on the side for a moment and take out our grill and set it up for our Tbone steak. So guys, the grill is set. We will press the button. We will try to turn it on. This is, so you press, okay, this is the power. It's on. The grill, right? Temperature. I want to set it for high temperature. I want to do 510. And I want to start it. From the inside, I have set up the grill right here. You just have to put this pot in the grill. And now we have to just wait. So it's gonna take its time to preheat this grill to 500 degrees. So we'll wait and then we will put our meat in there. So our Ninja Foodi grill is ready and it's telling us add your food. So we will open up our grill. We will take our steak, the Tbone steak, and we will just place it right on top of our grill. You don't have to add oil at the bottom or on top because we have added oil right on top. Oh, the sizzle is real. The sizzle is real. This is the third piece. And this is the fourth piece. Okay. We will close down our lid from the top and I have set the timer for 15 minutes. So after 6 to 7 minutes, we will open up the lid and we will flip the sides from our non-stick tong. So friends, it's been 7 minutes. Let's take a look in there. Oh wow. This is after 7 minutes. It has a little bit char on the, oh my god, the meat is looking so soft. Oh wow, it's breaking itself apart. That's incredibly good. Wow, very delicious. I'm just flipping up the sides as you guys see, and we will cook another maybe 5 minutes is enough. You want it medium well done, not like really medium, so it's gonna be medium well done. So it's very easy to just flip the sides. Now we will close the lids and wait for another 5 to 6 minutes in there. Damn it, it looks fantastic. So I think the meat, oh my god, the meat is ready guys. Oh yeah, it's perfectly done. You know, I have a little bit less char on here, so I will just flip it to get a little more char. Yeah, I'll just flip it a little bit. Oh, the meat is so creamy. Oh yeah, just give another 2 minutes. I will just cover this and cook it for 2 more minutes. If you guys like it really medium rare, you can have this. I want a char, you know, it's a homemade grill, so it has no smoke, so I want to see if it gives the char and the smoky taste to it. So just 2 more minutes. It's been 14 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm 100% sure this Tbone steak is perfectly ready. What I'm going to do, I'm putting some chopped fresh mint. Oh my god, all the recipes are right on top of it. So easy, right? So it has the fresh mint chopped. Let's dish this out and put it on our chopping board. Oh my god. Look at this. The marination is on point. The meat, you see, oh wow. Damn. I'm surprised actually. The marination has kicked in all the way in. I can tell. The meat tenderizer has done its job. And the Ninja Foodi Grill. Just check the softness of the meat right there. If I touch it, it's gonna separate itself from the bone. So this is our 4 Tbone steaks. This is the small, tiny meat. Super. It is so hot, but it's so deliciously done. Check this, guys. Check this. Wow, it's hot. Oh my. This is the Tbone steak. The marination. Okay, it's so hot. Check this. And it's juicy. The marinade, the ingredients is enough. I made some yogurt sauce with that. So dip it in the sauce. Perfect recipe with the Foodi Ninja Grill. Oh yeah. The char. Wow. Here's the bite. Wow. So this is the char. Wow. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do subscribe, like the video, and share this video with your friends and family. The best Tbone steak recipe in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Follow the same ingredients, follow the same time frame, and follow the same way as I showed you guys. You will be amazed, you will be surprised. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Last piece. If you guys see, all 3 are gone, and this is the 4th one. Wow. You guys know it's so good. I made more 5 of them. The Foodi Grill is getting ready. It's on the pre. I marinated those guys. Once it's done, I'm gonna keep doing the same thing. See you very soon.